Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if today is your first time of you turning in, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So today I'll be making puree for my 9-month-old son, and I'm going to be using 1 egg yolk. I'm using milk, almond nuts, which I'm going to add in hot water so it can get soft, and then I'll be using Irish potato, carrots and green peas. So before using all this, I went ahead, I washed everything. I washed my Irish potato and carrot before taking out the bag. So I'm going to peel in the carrots and the Irish potato. So guys, if you like, go ahead and try this method and see how it looks like. It's very nice. The Irish, the carrots, the green peas, almond nuts is so nice and very healthy. So I prefer using all this. I'm not giving him any other food. I give him normal. I made the food for him. I'm not giving him all those other like. I'm just giving him normal food, like something like this and other puree. Though I'll show you some of them on my next video. So guys, after washing it, after peeling it, I washed everything. So guys, after peeling the carrots, I went ahead and sliced all of them into small shape, and that is how it looked like. Try this method guys and give me your comments in the comment section below. So that is my egg. I boil my egg and I take the white out and be using only the egg yolk, not the white. And then that is my almond nut. It's well soft now. I'm going to take the back. That is the back of it. I only need the nuts. I'll remove the brown one, the brown peel, or peel it out, and then use only the almond. And that is how it looks like. You don't need the back. So if you are making for children, please make sure you take the peel, you peel the almond, you remove the brown skin out. So that is how everything look like. I won't be adding egg yolk yet. I have to let it cook first. So I added water in my pot. I let it boil a little bit, or boil first before adding in everything. So now you go ahead and add in your Irish, carrots and the rest together. I let it cook until it's well soft. So guys, I let it cook. I check to see whether if the food is well cooked or not. So I've checked it and I cover it back to cook for more minutes. So now that it's well cooked, I'm going to allow it to get a little bit cold before blending it. So guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and just hit the notification button so whenever I upload a video you'll be able to see it. Thank you guys for subscribing. So guys, here after everything has been cooked, I'm going to add in everything in the blender. I add in the egg yolk, then I'll add the milk and water so it will be able to blend well. But if you cook yours and there's still water in the pot, please don't throw the water, just use that water to blend. Like my own, I like the water to cook, to dry up. Though any method, you can let it, if you can cook and then allow the water to stay in it, no problem. Just use that water to blend instead of adding in another water. So this is how it look like. Please make sure you blend it very smooth. I like it to be very smooth when blending it. So this is how it will look like. Very yummy, very nice. Please don't forget to try this if you have any children from 6 months above. It's very nice. And I'm going to show you how I feed him. So this is him eating the food. Thank you guys for watching.